trying to make the hiccups go away, y'all. Mute. I can't. Someone said a spoonful of sugar. I'm screaming. You know what would probably make my hiccups go away if I was eating right now? Tristan, thank you so much. Yeah, normally the hiccups stop if I was eating, but I don't have any right now. I'm here alone right now. My employees are working out on the ranch. Kinky. Taylor Nicole, you better stop it right now. She said a uni might work. Oh my god, as I'm hiccuping.